Welcome to Make It Easy. In this video, I have brought to you a light, refreshing and irresistible peach mojito recipe. This mocktail has the juicy flavors of the ripe summer fruit paired with a hint of fresh mint, zingy lime and fizzy soda. Without further ado, let's move on to the recipe. I've taken here 2 sliced peaches, 2 lemon cut in slices, a few mint leaves and ginger julienne. Now in a blender jar, I'm putting the sliced peaches. To this, I'll add 1 cup of water. Two tablespoons sugar. You can substitute it with honey. Now I'm adding juice of 1 lime. And a few ginger juliennes. Now blend it. And our peach slush is ready. Here I have taken a jug and I'm putting some peach pieces, cubes into this. Now I'm adding a few mint leaves, a handful, and lemon slices and ginger juliennes. Crush all the ingredients a little. Till the juices mix and the aroma is released. Now I'll pour the peach slush that I had prepared already. And I'll top it up with soda water. You can substitute this with cold drink, Sprite. And give this a nice stir. For serving, I'm putting some peach pieces at the bottom of a glass and pour the mojito. Now garnish this with mint sprig, a few ginger juliennes and fruit pieces, and the peach mojito is ready to be served. Subscribe to my channel if you like the content of this video and press the bell icon for more updates. Don't forget to visit Make It Easy Kashmir for more exciting recipes.